Damn. Is that another one? Did this thing rug? I mean, I just, I got the update from Forex, which I want to talk about, and I was thinking about it. I was thinking about what I wanted to say. I was like, all right, let me get a video out on this, and then I went on Twitter, and I saw someone post something like another rug, and I was like, what are they talking about? So I kind of like dug around, and then I saw that it was elephant money, and I don't think anyone knows yet if it's a rug or not, so I don't want to imply that I know it's a rug. We don't know yet, but it's upsetting. I mean, I didn't get in elephant money. It's not because I didn't think, like, I really thought it was going to be a good project. I was really considering it, and I ended up deciding to just buy more drip because of the price of drip. So I thought it was gonna be great. Splasive, I kind of had a weird feeling about it. I don't know why. So I never got into that one. Elephant money, I was definitely planning to get in. Damn, like, this is it's upsetting, man, because I know a lot of people, lost a lot of money, and this isn't a time to, gloat or anything like that. You know what I mean? Like, this, I think, is it's unfortunate for a lot of people, and DeFi as a whole, like, this just another thing that just casts, a negative light on DeFi. So I feel bad if you're in elephant money. I know that I really don't know about rugs and all that stuff. There's definitely a part of me that wants to, like, believe people and wants to trust people and doesn't want, to think that there's these bad intentions, but I know that's just kind of not the case always, right? And there are people that are out to scam people and things like that. I think, though, what is more likely is somehow there was a hack in the protocol of some kind. I mean, the AMAs that I listened to with this guy, bank teller, I don't know, I didn't get that sense, but who knows, man. Regardless, it doesn't really matter. The point is that a lot of money was lost today. Hopefully there's some type of explanation or some type of recovery of some sort, but I feel bad. What I was before I found out about this, and when I was reading the Forex update, which I do want to get to, is that what I got from Forex in his update is what I've been kind of thinking all along, is he's so meticulous about everything. He doesn't want to launch the new UI and unpause the animal farm unless everything is like perfect, and he's like going over it with a fine comb. And that's what makes me super bullish on drip, super bullish on the animal farm, just super bullish on Forex, man. Like, this is what I like about what he's doing. I know launch times can get delayed, and that frustrates people. It also creates uncertainty, which is what I think we're seeing in the price action of of drip, right? Is markets don't like uncertainty, and so people don't really know what's going to happen when the animal farm gets unpaused. I mean, I know what's going to happen, right? But don't listen to me. I'm just a guy on YouTube, spouting off while he drives his car. So at any rate, damn, I feel bad for those people that are in elephant money, man. And if you're also in drip, I think, here's a time to really, I don't know, man. I just, I wanted to kind of put this out. I was going to get all fired up to talk about Forex and Animal Farm and stuff like that. But, I do feel bad for the people that are losing money to, like, whether it's an intentional rug from the developers or it's someone that, like, scams protocols and steals. I have no respect for people that steal. You know what I mean? Like, seriously, like, you don't have enough hustle in the world to, like, take $1 and turn it into $2. You got to go out and steal from others. Like, go be, at least be a drug dealer. At least, you know what I mean? Like, do something where you know what I mean? Like, there's business and you have a product and you're you know, like, I'm not promoting drug dealing, don't get me wrong, but I can have at least some respect for that. Stealing, I don't have any respect for, you know? All right, that's my little rant. I know it's somewhat, you know, I'm a little bit more kind of sullen, I guess, in this video. I guess I'll leave you this. If you're in drip, what Forex wrote in that little update that he sent out makes me very bullish, like a lot of things about the program, about the protocol, you know. And I think just hearing about, you know, now elephant money, I mean, it makes me, you know, feel even more secured. I mean, he's really gonna make sure there's nothing like that would happen. So anyway, Beach Office 365. If you like this video, please hit that like button. It really helps me. It goes a long way. Subscribe and let me know what you think. Tell me what you think about DeFi, what you think about developers rugging, what you think about scams, what you think about elephant money in particular. Would love to hear from you. So leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.